Phones, App Store.
Thousands of people left in limbo as a major insurance network and hospital in Prescott walked away from each other earlier this month. New at 6, a state lawmaker telling ABC15 both key players appear to want to come to the table. But why aren't they? Our Nicole Grigg reports.
At first I was like, oh, it's a mistake.
Earlier this month, we shared Maggie Greenwood's story and her struggle to find a needed appointment after Blue Cross Blue Shield Arizona and Yavapai Regional Medical Center cut ties over contract negotiations. That left her and more than 11,000 others in Yavapai County with out-of-network coverage.
I was scheduled for a bunch of heart tests and I'm not going to have them. I canceled everything.
Since we last spoke, Maggie says Tuesday is her last day with Blue Cross Blue Shield Arizona, her employer making the decision to switch to a new insurer that's in network with the hospital.
You got a bunch of people who are kind of out in the cold looking for coverage.
State Senator Ken Bennett is hearing from the people he represents in Prescott and from both private companies who in essence both say they're willing to come to the table.
So let's get a deal done and get people back under coverage.
Both releasing statements to ABC15. Blue Cross saying Yavapai Regional Medical Center could change their decision to stay in the network, and we'd welcome them to meet us at the table to discuss an agreement at any time. And Dignity Health with a similar statement saying in part that Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona has not re-engaged in negotiations and that, quote, we have made it clear to Blue Cross Blue Shield Arizona that we would welcome them back to the table to either accept our proposal or provide a counter proposal that is fair.
Not only did we reach out to state lawmakers, but we reached out to the federal delegation in Congress, including Senators Kyrsten Sinema and Mark Kelly, as well as Congressman Paul Gosar, as they all represent people in Prescott.
As for State Senator Bennett, he says these are two private companies that are allowed to disagree, but issues like this could lead to stronger protections.
Yeah, it makes me think about, well, how do we make sure that in the future, if this were to happen again, that we have fallback or second option positions for people.
And for people in Yavapai County, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona says if you need emergency care like the ER, it's still in network. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC15 Arizona.
Nicole, thank you.